Number 25, the pangolin. Also known as trengling or the scaly anteater, pangolin is a mammal that belongs to the order Pholidota. It's called scaly anteater because of the thick and large keratin scales that cover its entire body. Number 24, Klipspringer. This African antelope literally means rock jumper. Also called miunde, it's mostly found in the mountainous regions of southern Africa and Ethiopia. Number 23, Potto. The Potto is a Lorisidae primate that's also known by the name Bosman's Potto, and softly. This animal is covered with gray-brown woolly fur and has opposable thumbs that allow it to grasp branches firmly. Number 22, the sugar glider. Mostly found in the eastern and northern parts of mainland Australia, the sugar glider is a small nocturnal gliding possum that belongs to the infraclass marsupial. Number 21, Fennec Fox. This fox is a small nocturnal fox that resides in the Sahara Desert of North Africa. It's characterized by its unusually gigantic ears, which help in dissipating heat. Number 20, the star-nosed mole. This small mole is mainly found in the wet, low areas of the northeastern part of the U.S. as well as eastern Canada. Some of its relatives are also found along the Atlantic coast and Georgia. It can easily be identified because of its 11 pairs of pink, fleshy appendages. Number 19, the zebra Duiker. The small antelope mainly resides in the Ivory Coast and is characterized by its red-brown coat and distinctive stripes that resemble those of a zebra. Number 18, the Amazonian royal flycatcher. A passerine bird, the Amazonian royal flycatcher is regarded as a close relative of the tyrant flycatcher. It's found throughout the forests of the Amazon basin. Number 17, the raccoon dog. Also known as the magnut, the raccoon dog is an indigenous dog found in East Asia. It's known to regularly climb trees like the gray fox of North America. Number 16, the lamprey. Sometimes called lamprey eels, the lamprey is the jawless fish that's characterized by its funnel-like and tooth-sucking mouth. It's derived its name from the Latin term lampetra, which means stone licker. Number 15, the tufted deer. The tufted deer can be identified through the tuft of black hair on its forehead. It's also characterized by its fang-like canines. Number 14, Sunda kaluga. Also known as the Sunda flying lemur, or the Malayan flying lemur, the Sunda kaluga is a species of kaluga that's found in several parts of Southeast Asia, mainly Thailand and Malaysia. Though it was initially believed to be a lemur, it's not a lemur and it does not fly. It's dependent on forests and constantly glides and leaps between trees. Number 13, Siphonia clavata. This ant-like insect lives in the middle and southern part of Africa. It looks like an ant because of the protrusion that extends from its pronotum. Its main body is also buried under a large ant-like shaped shell. Number 12, the southern red muntjac. More commonly known as the Indian muntjac or red muntjac, this animal is characterized by its brownish short and soft hair with creamy markings. Unlike other species, it's omnivorous. Number 11, the southern right whale dolphin. This dolphin is a slender and small species of dolphin that's commonly found in the cool and deep waters of the southern hemisphere, where it's the only dolphin that has no dorsal fins. Number 10, the maned wolf. The maned wolf is known as the largest canid in South America. Its physical features resemble those of a large fox with long fur. This group of Old World monkeys is mostly found in southern China, particularly Yunnan province, Tibet, and Sichuan. It got its name from its most notable physical feature, which is its short stump of nose and nostrils positioned forward. Number 8, markhor. A wild species of goat, the markhor resides in the Middle East, particularly in the northeastern part of Afghanistan and the northern part of Pakistan. Number 7, the Irrawaddy dolphin. This dolphin is an oceanic dolphin that resides along the sea coasts and estuaries and rivers of the Bay of Bengal and Southeast Asia. Its physical traits resemble the beluga, though experts say it's more closely related to the killer whale. Number 6, the naked mole rat. Also called the sand puppy or desert mole rat, the naked mole rat is the only species of rodent that is classified in the genus Heterocephalus. It's basically a burrowing rodent that resides in some of the major parts of East Africa. Number 5, Gerenuk. Crowned as the queen of humbleness in many ancient African tribal tales, the Gerenuk is also known as Waller's gazelle and looks like a long-necked species of antelope. Number 4, the Fossa. Endemic to Madagascar, Fossa is a carnivorous mammal that looks like a cat. It's a member of the Eupleridae family, which is somewhat related to the mongoose. Number 3, the pink fairy armadillo. Known as the smallest species of armadillo, the pink fairy armadillo has a body that's approximately 90 millimeters in length, excluding the tail. Number 2, the babirusa. The babirusa is commonly found in Wallis and other Indonesian islands, including Sula, Togian, Buru, and Sulawesi. One of its most notable characteristics is its long upper canines which emerge vertically from the alveolar process. And number 1, Dole. Also known as the Asiatic wild dog or Indian wild dog, the Dole is a member of the genus Kuan, which is different from the genus Canis, so therefore it's not as related to your dog as you would think.
If you liked the video you just saw, then consider clicking on the button at the top right to subscribe. Also, check out our other popular videos, 25 places that look like they're from another planet, and 25 facts you always thought were true but aren't. If you're still itching for more, go ahead and check out our website at list25.com for a whole bunch of cool lists.